Welcome today in front of me TCL Top 10L, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool we should enter a green Apple keyboard, and now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click enable in settings. Then here near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap OK and again OK. Then just click to go back and tap to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished. Let's just close the adverts and let's just go somewhere, for example into the app search here to see the new our device keyboard. And as we can see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.